So we rate these scooters lame as fuck because we could only come from that way a block. So we gotta walk.
One didn't work.
It is very nice. Yeah. Only thing it's cut in half. Pretty nice, huh? This is a trip, dude. Easy shit right here. I'm scared. Part of us coming in here, isn't that weird?
Yeah. Look at what's going on here.
Oh yeah, totally.
Cowboy bar.
Especially it's our like day off kind of time. You know, we're chilling right now. Yo, what up, you guys? It's fucking crazy. This fanfest got like really busy. We were giving out stickers at the Ineos booth for quite a long time. Like, holy shit, that thing was really busy. But I just want to show you guys like how cool is this show. We have all the pretty much the Pikes Peak race cars out, so you can check out all of them pretty much in person. And you know, for this it's like pretty crazy because Colorado Springs has only 500,000 people living here. Yokohama releasing special tires for EVs. I mean, you know, which one is the coolest one though? Nobody wants to see that. And if you guys missed it, you can also get it.
This is not cool.
I didn't make it. That's not my handwriting, die. So.
Who did it?
Some of it is mine.
Oh.
This is mine. She did it.
Oh, you did it. And you have something cooler? I think they don't.
But you know, it's pretty cool. A lot of people come to our booth and checking it out, and you know, giving us all the support. So thank you guys for that. It's pretty fucking cool, like seeing people getting excited about, you know, coming out to us and checking out our stuff.
You're up a notch.
It's like, dude, that's the slowest kind of car you could have. It's like on your ass. Man, but these guys will probably look at you.
Well, then they have bets and shit too. Yeah, man. Are they like COVID bets or what? Saw the sign count.
Yeah. Like, are they like COVID bats?
I'm gonna record for you.
Yeah, let's go. Got the camp. Want a picture, Jay, or what? Oh, me a picture? Aye. Looking pretty, isn't it? So we ended up dropping off the car on the mountain for tomorrow. So right now we get a little bit more time off and a little bit more rest. Yesterday FanFest got pretty crazy, it was pretty fun, so yeah, you know, we're gonna get some souvenirs and such. Man, that is cool as fuck. Is there finding some gold in there? Shit. Goes down all the way. Can I get chocolate as well?
Of course you can. But I want money first.
So how much is the one?
I was gonna get chocolate.
Yeah, an orange peel. Crazy. Too much chocolate and candy. And these are really yummy, especially the watermelon ones. Very, very tasty. And they also have popcorn and ice cream.
That's hard. Yeah, with this.
Crazy sauce. Oh, man. Crazy.
Well, good luck tomorrow, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What kind of vehicle are we driving? Who's the driver?
Oh,
He's not here. We're the crew. we get the car ready.
Cathy's coffee. Thank you.
Herman Mellows in the middle of the